Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent verschrikkelijk, which means terrible. This is how we say verschrikkelijk. Verschrikkelijk. There is a light emphasis on the second syllable. Verschrikkelijk. 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 Not an easy word, I know. The rschr is a tough one. Verschrikkelijk. Also, the ij at the end, which normally is pronounced as an I, is now more of an uk. Verschrikkelijk. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!